I've got a really good idea, and I've got to find my notebook, and I've got to write that idea down. But look at the state of this place. I can't find my notebook, and I've got to write this idea down, else the idea is lost into the idea world. I've got to clean up. I've got to get organised. That's that clean. Still haven't found my notebook. Do you know what I need? Do you know what I need? What I really need? What I really need in here is a clipboard. Paper always on it. Hang it on the wall. Get an idea. Get it on paper. You're safe. So many ideas have just been lost because you forget. At least I do. So I'm going to pull my finger out and get a clipboard made. So there it is, and as you saw early on in the video, there are some fails where when I was routing this out, the wood chipped away, and there and here, you live with that. Then also another fail is that the black epoxy bled into the wood, and if I'd have sanded it and sanded it and sanded it so to get rid of it, I'd have had no board left. So really it looks like I've gone with a big felt marker and splurged it all on. It doesn't really matter. A nice little mix of the epoxy steel with the epoxy resin. Yeah, so you're saying, how can you call that a clipboard when it's really just a few bits of wood stuck together with my name on it? There's one thing missing. The clip to go with the board. Have that on there. We're almost there. Then, nice pile of paper. And that is now a clipboard to stay in this workshop, to stick my ideas down. Now, when I started this, I had an idea. Yeah, I did, didn't I? As you saw, I started this off because I had a burning idea and I couldn't find my notebook because my workshop was all messed up and messy. So I cleared it up, as you saw. Then, to solve the problem, I thought, build yourself a clipboard, Jeff. Stick a load of paper on there, get an idea, write it down, yes, save. And that's what I did, and I took you with me. You saw that happen. I now have a clipboard hanging on the wall, and that idea, that burning idea that I never wanted to lose, can I remember it? Can I